Greetings in the name of the Most High Yah, is King Yediah, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets. And today is the 2nd of August, 2022. It's a Tuesday. I'm in a live trade on Meta, and I'm going to kind of break down how I got into this trade. I'm short from 161.83. Let's see. I see something here. Let's talk about the camera setup first. That's how I like to create the perspective of the trade. So we have a engulfing day, right? On the Camarilla level, it's a outside relationship. So let's see here. Right, so R3. Come on, let's go. Why are you not working? Don't play with me right now, man. What's up with this thing? Hold on. Close that out. Let's try that again. Alright, so the Epping pen isn't working for some reason. Alright, so no Epic pen. Alright, so we have R3 at 160.46, and that's prior day. S3 is at 157.73. So today S3 is at 157.20 and R3 is at 162.67. So overall we're in a downtrend, but kind of moving sideways right now. Overall it's a downtrend, but moving sideways. And I'm looking at Meta now as a kind of pump and dump special, right? So it's like I was saying in a prior video on Meta, we get these little pumps excuse me, we get these little pumps in Meta, and then it always sells off, right? So today is like a really small pump compared to this one here, right? So we're running into a resistance level at R3 right here. We kind of stalled out, had this big engulfing candle right here at 162.22. And let's see, let's go to trading view to see what I was looking at to jump into this trade. So this is something a lot of people don't really look at, right? But this is the MUB chart. This is the mini bond ETF. National muni bond ETF, right? So when we had this push-up candle right here, let's see, I could get an arrow from here. All right, so we had this push-up candle. I was looking for the weakness to start setting in, right, so on the stock market. But now we're getting this reversal sell-off right here again. So that might stop this Meta short right here. So that's what got me in the trade in the first place. When the muni bond caught a bid, that is usually an indication that the stock market is gonna do the inverse, right? So as we sold off, the stock market rallied, and now that we started to get like a recovery, you're looking for some shorts, right? So the US dollar not really doing much, kind of pushing up a little bit. That kind of holds down the stock market as well when it's bullish. And Q1 was looking like this, right? So again, the MUB is catching a bid. So is going short again, is selling off. So we might start getting some wick rejection right here on NQ1. You see you're getting a wick rejection right there of R3. That might sabotage the Meta trade. So looking at the VIX, this was another thing I saw, that the VIX caught a bid right there. So with the volatility increasing, the stock market usually pulls back, right? But now we're getting that wick rejection at R1. Let me see, make that bigger. Hope you can see that. And it might sabotage the Meta short, right? So let's see what Meta is catching a bid as well, right? So this is the central pivot level right here. Let's see, pull out the arrow, right? So that's the central pivot level. BC. That's the bottom central pivot, although it's on top. Sometimes it has like an inverse kind of, depending on how it calculates, it ends up on top, and the top central pivot ends up on the bottom, right? So that's the central pivot zone right there at roughly around, let's see, well, the pivot is exactly at 160.12, right? So looking at that for some support, right? But we even getting it before that. So let's see here. All right, so let's go over to DAS Trader Pro. Make this bigger. Is this the 5-minute chart? Right, go to the 5-minute. Right, so see the big engulfing candle right there. As soon as we got this and I saw the MUB, the muni bonds was catching a bid, I decided to go short right here on top of R2. Got the breakdown of lower VWAP and just kind of holding at this candle right here. My stop is at 161.42. The average price, well, the price stepping in right there on the short was 161.83. So probably gonna capture like about 40 cents in the trade. I'm hoping for it to just break down though. So if the Qs loses it right here at the Qs is above upper VWAP. Upper VWAP is at around 317.48, 317.50, and we're getting some resistance on this candle on the 5-minute on the Qs at 317.70. Is that 75? Yeah, 75, 79, somewhere around there. Let me make that a little bigger to see. Let's say around 317.80, right? So it's looking like it might fall short below upper VWAP, and this might cause Meta to just fall short again. So if it doesn't stop me out, so let's see what happens here. That was a low volume candle for all that movement right there. No volume, well, not no volume, but volume is falling off a little bit. Let's see if we get the rejection right there at 161.28 and we hold that rejection. Although it might come back to like 161.50, just to get that half number right there. So maybe my stop is a little too tight at 161.42, but let's see. Volume is low. Let's see how much. Let's go to trading view. It gives you the time. Let's see, where is it? Okay, so this 15-minute candle just started, so we are 13.44 right there. This hammer candle that came in on Meta was on low volume as well, so that's good. I like that. We probably could, let me set an alert right here at 162.32. Right, so let's see if we're gonna break down lower upper VWAP. Upper VWAP and on trading view is different from DAS Trader Pro, because I think DAS Trader Pro calculates the pre-market. Trading view doesn't calculate the pre-market. Gotta sip some tea, man. All right, so this right here is 639 is the money zone value area high. So maybe, where is my stop again? Let me go back. 161.42. So maybe we could stay. Let's see, let me set an alert right here. Maybe we can hit that, and maybe we could reject off of the money zone value area high. let's see what happens to keep me in the trade. So we hit 161.32. We broke above 161.30. And let's see. Volume isn't coming up too much though, so that's good. Looks like the Qs is trying to lose it here a little bit as well, so that's good. Come on, Qs, fall. The Qs and the SPY is looking a little weak. Like, I don't think it might be able to hold up. All right, we keep getting those pullbacks off of around that value area high level, money zone value area high. All right, so it's pushing up on me now. Damn, it's almost hitting my stop. It almost hit my stop right there. My stop is at 161.42, so it's right there. Yeah, I think it's gonna stop me out. But that's okay, it'll add a little something to the green day. Alright, the Qs is looking like it's losing upper VWAP at 317.50, 317.48 now. It's popping back up. Oh man. Come on, man, don't kill the meta trade. See, the level 2 is looking kind of equal, man. A little heavy on the bid side. We got some bids at 160, 160.50. Alright, I like that rejection right there. Still no volume though. I want to see some volume come in if it pulls back down to like upper VWAP right here. And again, as far as our strategy goes, this is like a R3 rejection, right? Just to be clear, this is a R3 rejection right there. So this is not just me jumping in a random trade, you know. This is at a key level right here. Not making it to R3 and we failing. So let's see how it goes. Right, we're getting some pullback there. That's nice. And I got my target at 158.82. So let's see where that is over here. Yeah, that's just above volume point of control, all the way back down. So if the market really loses it right now, we could definitely see Meta pulling all the way back. Because again, Meta is in a downtrend. That's the predominant trend on Meta. It's weak and it's moving down. So shorten any of these pops is a great idea, you know. And I think I'm gonna start definitely keeping Meta on the watch list for anytime the market gets weak. I know Meta is gonna respond. And actually, I think this pump in the market today was like kind of like a patriotism kind of move from the market makers, where Nancy Pelosi is, you know, she's in Taiwan, and China was saying that, you know, they would retaliate if she comes over there, right? So now that she's there, there was no retaliation. It was just a bluff, really. And they said they're gonna do drills now and stuff like that. So who cares about a drill? You know what I mean? I think the warships are over there and they're backing her up. So China is just bluffing at this point. So market makers, they take any little thing to make because a lot of the stock market is political as well, right? So if she's over there, they might just now this could have scared people, right? When China said they're gonna do something and she's over there, they're gonna probably just, man, something could happen, so let me close my positions, right? But the market makers always control the market, so they started raising the price, you know what I'm saying, and pumping up the market. So just to show, it's like a it's their way of showing that patriotism and that strength, you know what I'm saying? Because it'll kind of show weakness if everybody gets scared that it starts selling off and stuff like that. So, but now that that's done, you know what I mean, and they made some money, we could sell off now in Meta. And we're getting the sell off right here. That's cool. That's cool. All right, let me go back to DAS. I got some Fibonacci levels right here. So from the bottom there is the first 61% level. Excuse me. And actually, I think this Fibonacci line is messed up. This one is supposed to be 38%, not 61%, man. I don't know why it does that. Anyway, I'm gonna try and fix that some other time. Because this is supposed to be the 38% retracement level. This is the 50 and this is the 61% level. Alright, so that's looking kind of like a higher low right there. Not really liking that. Come on, you gotta break down past this Fibonacci level right here. Oh, let me make it bigger. Alright. Right, so the Qs is losing R3. Let me just bring that across. Right, so we got Qs losing R3, so that would be nice to look at as well. So you all could see the process, right? All right, so the level 2 on Meta is also getting heavier. Let me bring that across as well. Why not? Right, so you can see all the action happening here. So you see Meta's bid is pulling it down to 160.52, 160.50 area. So that's this area right here at the low. Let's see if we get to that. And there's nothing on the ask side to really on the sell side to really pull it up. All of these are little small asks. We're getting the retest right there on the Qs. Pull that across a little bit. Let's see, we could even do this. Pull across this time and sales. Put that right there. So I believe this time and sales is 300 plus. So this is not the fast moving one. This is a bigger size time and sales. So right, the bid is stacking up nicely on Meta. We're yet to break down though. We're gonna contend right now with the volume point of control at 160.75. We're losing that. Head into that 38% retracement level, that yellow line right there. Let's see if I could get this thing to work right now. Nope, not working. Sabotage in a good time. Right, so we got the Qs losing R2 right there, heading to R1. Meta lost 38% level on the fib line, pushing down nicely to the 50% level. Let's see, the bid is looking nice at 159.92, so around 160. Right there we got 37. All right, that's looking good. Market losing it. Still getting some support here on Meta. I don't know why Meta isn't flushing down like the market is. Them longs in Meta trying to hold on for real. See, they're starting to come in at the ass right there. I think they're trying to probably get out at 161.40, 161.50. But hell no, you ain't getting that today, man. You better cover your shorts right now and let that flush down. I mean, cover your longs, right? Let's get that flush down, just like in the market right here on the Qs. We hitting stops right now. This is yesterday's close, this purple line right here. So we heading towards that. That's the volume point of control right there, that white line. I don't know if you can see my cursor right there. I'm moving it around. Yeah, this is looking nice. Meta is breaking that 50% fib level. Heading to 160. That's yesterday's close right there. That purple dash line. Let's see if we're stacking up. Oh, the bid is kind of losing it around 160. So I gotta be. Let's see. We ain't got no more bids down here, man. So probably wouldn't get to my target. But let's see. When we hit 160, let's see what happens. If we start to reverse too much from 160, I'ma probably take a 161.83. Let me secure a dollar move at $1 and some. See, when I touch this, I have to do some rearrangement here. My bad. Hold on 1 second. So boom, put Meta back. And right. Then I'm gonna put you back here. That's the Qs. The Q's still going down. Heading towards yesterday's close. Looking like it wants to break it. Head to VWAP as well. Alright, so we got some bids here at 160. But that's looking kind of close. They're looking like they wanna. Okay, looks like we just. Damn, we flushed through 160. That's nice. Nice. We got a lot of selling coming in. See that purple right there? A lot of selling coming in. Nice. So, damn, every time I touch this though, it's gonna mess me up. Let's see, I'm gonna put my stop at 160.25. Let's see if he's gonna mess it up. Yeah, it did. Oh man. Let me set that order again. Alright, the Qs are still selling off, pulling back up to VWAP, but it's looking real weak, man. We're coming all the way back down to volume points of control at 313.72. Maybe. And where did the time and sales go? Oh man. Sorry, y'all. Just trying to arrange this properly. All right. Right, and here's the Qs chart again. Right, so we're pushing back up on VWAP, but it is looking like we're gonna just continue flushing down. Damn, but the bids disappeared, man. I don't like that. I don't like that. So I'm gonna pull this down a little more. Let's be all out at 160.04 because there's no more bids on the level 2. So what's the appeal to even come lower? You know what I'm saying? I see some on the ask, but the bid isn't really that strong. So what's the initiative, right? What's the incentive? Sorry. So where's the Qs? Right. Sorry, y'all. I know I'm moving stuff around a lot. Right, the Qs is looking like it's getting a little bounce here at I think that was pre-market high 314.64. There's nothing on the bid here on Meta again. No incentive to go lower. So we might just take that let's see what's happening on the time and sales though. See, we have this ask right here at 159.75. Oh, so we're pushing down even more. All right, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do this for you right here. We're gonna secure that 159.75 where that ask is. This is what we're gonna do. Watch. We're gonna do this. We're gonna stay right there. Actually, right on top of. Yeah, right there. If we come back to that ask at 159.75, we'll take all out right there. Damn, the market is selling off nice. And you know, no offense to the bulls, man. When I say nice, you know what I'm saying? I know the bulls get kind of sensitive. People hate these short sellers, man. You know what I mean? Because it's like, you know, you spoiled a good trade. But this is just trading, man. That's how the cookie crumbles sometime, you know. You can make money going up and down. So my target is at 158. If we capture that, that'll be cool, man. That'll be cool. Let's see, 161.83 to 159.74. That's a whole $2 move right there, man. Meta killing it right now. See, the Qs is catching a little bit right there. Stopped at 314.18. Now back up to, I believe that's R1 S1 maybe. I gotta move this to C. Yeah, that's S1 coming back up to S1 at 314.66. Still nothing on the bid side. The ask stacked up. So yeah, if you come back here to that 159.75 bid at 24, I'm gonna be all out. This was a nice short, man. Nice short. And it's still looking weak. Even though we're not seeing anything on the bid, it's still looking weak. Maybe they're hiding their orders right now. Because these big players, they have the option to do that. You know, you could hide your bid so that people like me can't see it. $159.29. I should move my stop down to 159.50. And the reason for that is the Qs is still catching some support here, so I could really maximize some profits right here by trailing down to 159.50, which it might retest and stop me out, but okay, the Qs is attacking S2 again. I think it really wants to get to that volume pointer control line right here at 313.69. Oh, here goes Meta. What's the top of this candle? 159.35. Yeah, I think I might trail. Man. See that hammer candle right there? Of 159. Come on, let's see what's happening here. No volume on it though. You might just come and stop me out at 159.50. What are you doing? That's what you want to do? You ain't want me take it all the way to 158? See, that's the Qs right there, still catching a bit at S2. Come on, Qs, lose it. Head towards VPOC. Yeah, I think it might come and stop me out. Damn, this video run into the 3 minutes already, but we just got the stop out. Alright, yo, so that's my trade on Meta. Caught 161.83 breakdown right here. Went short 161.83, rode it all the way down to 159.52. So more than a $2 move right there. Nice. Alright, y'all, it's King Yedaya, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets, and y'all trade safe and stay blessed.